So after the examinations are over, every year we launch an internship program for the students out. The reason is very simple. Because number one, we want you to learn something out of the box. Number two, we want you to give the exposure of a startup culture. And number three, genuinely, this also helps us to understand what is going on the ground because you guys are interacting with a lot of students. You know what all things are going on the ground, what actually the student demands. So we as a startup organizations try to have an internship program for you guys every year. So this is going to be a sixth batch, right? We have completed a five batch of internships in a past era. Now this is going to be a sixth batch of internships which is going to be there. Now this time we are going to be hiring for three different roles which are there. So just a second, I'll present my screen. So these are the three interesting roles for which we are going to be hiring. The first is a research intern, second is a business development, and third is a content development intern. Now, what is this research intern is going to be doing? So, we are having a lot of research work which is going to be done, or we are working with 500 plus different mentors into different industries. Few of them are CFOs, CEOs, and top-notch people out. So what we are planning or what we are doing at a CMONG portal and organization is we are bringing lot of research material for different domains by having some interviews, by having some discussion with the top notch industry leaders out. So if you're going to be part of a research intern, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be interacting with different folks, and definitely you're going to be understanding what they need, and definitely you're doing some groundwork research कि भाई देखो, say for example if I want to get into FP&A profile, then you're going to be doing some research related to that. So if you genuinely want to interact with big people out, and if you love to do different research work, the research internship is something which is for you guys. Second great internship is, or second role which we are going to be offering is a business development intern. So we being a startup organization, we are not only operating for chartered accountants nowadays, we are expanded our horizon to finance folks. Nowadays, I don't know how many of you are aware of, we have also build out AI based tools for a resume review. We have built out AI based tools for a job description and GD match or a resume match, rather I'll say that. So we are building and working on multiple avenues and multiple things out. So what we need is a youngster like you or a mindset like you who can think out of the box and can think of how we can expand our venture out into different horizon. So that is something which is a business development intern where you're going to be working into that role, thinking out of the box how we can develop these things out, or what is something new which we can bring for the students out using our portal as a CMO. Third, of course, very interesting and very important role, which is content writing. So a lot of you who are very good at content writing, or a lot of you who genuinely wants to develop their one of the avenues or their passion into a content writing. So third role is a content writing, which is there. So a lot of contents which we are developing these days. So that is something where we need your help and support to write a content which is there. Now, all this internships, right, is going to be a paid internships which is there. So if you are genuinely looking for internships and are ready to work hard, then only apply for this internship out. Now remember one thing, right? Since a lot of students applies for this internship, I think for the last batch, approximately 300 to 400 students have applied, right? So definitely we are going to be considering a decent number of hiring which is there, although it's going to be paid internship. But yes, if you are going to be coming for money, please don't come. If you're gonna be coming to learn something new, अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखना है, मेहनत करने के लिए रेडी हो तो आना, ठीक है, which is there. Next important thing, the last day to apply for this internship program is 26th May. 26th May is the last date for application, right? उसके बाद we are not going to be considering the applications which are there. So I would request कि आपका अगर कोई दोस्त होगा, भाई होगा, those who genuinely feel like यार मुझे इस internship के लिए जाना है, you apply for it. Definitely we are going to be considering your profile for the same. Right? We are going to be shortlisted. Definitely you're getting a call for an interview. But हमारे इधर the process of interview is very good, right? We are going to be having a first level of a round which is called as a group discussion. एक बार GD होगा, GD के बाद you are going to be screened and based on that your personal interview is going to be taken. तो दैट इज देयर, है ना. इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई क्वेरीज होगी इंटर्नशिप के रिगार्डिंग, तो मैं सबसे पहले रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्लीज फॉर्म को पढ़ लो, विच इज देयर. यहाँ पे सब कुछ डिटेल लिखी हुई है कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम है या क्या है. वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, पूरा डिटेल्स लिखा हुआ है. आई जस्ट वांट यू टू गो थ्रू इट एंड प्लीज फिल दिस फॉर्म सीरियसली बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट स्क्रीनिंग पैरामीटर फॉर अस बेस्ड ऑन विच वी ऑल्सो कंसिडर योर प्रोफाइल विच इज देयर. Right, so really happy and excited to work with all of young talents which are there. If you are interested, fill this out. If your friend is interested, do share this form with them as well so that he or she does not miss an opportunity. Definitely आप मेरे साथ काम करोगे, मेरी टीम के साथ काम करोगे, right? My brother is a co-founder, right? He is also techie. He is also worked with the startup culture. I have worked with the startup culture. So we are running this organization. We are a team of 15 people out. So you love working with our team. So that is something which is there. So if you're interested, fill this form out. The form link is in the description. And remember, the last date is 26th of May. ठीक है? If you have any queries, drop it in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. Thanks. Bye bye.